वेलकम बैक। आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है बॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट एक्ट्रेस टर्न प्रोड्यूसर प्रीति झांगियानी और एक्टर टर्न डायरेक्टर प्रवीण दबास। वेलकम टू द शो गाइस।
थैंक यू। थैंक्स।
जनरली जब पहली मूवी बनाते हैं, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू, यू वांट टू मेक इट रियली बिग, और this seems to be a little low on star cast and things like that. So what was the thought behind that? Why not, go all the way?
I don't think that our film is low on star cast or is a smaller budgeted or is a I think the star cast is what is appropriate for the film and for the subject.
All right, Preeti. Now the really major question that I have in my mind is how hard is it for an actress to turn a producer?
Definitely, it has been a male-dominated arena, but I think more so now. It's a lot of women also coming into production. But I don't think it's about a man or a woman coming into it. It's more about how passionate you are about making a film that you believe in.
But on an everyday basis, एक producer का काम होता है looking after the budgets, making sure that the crew is there, and so many other jhanjat. Don't you look at it like that?
I'm a Sindhi. I'm good at that. I can do finances. I can do finances. I can do and look into accounting. And yes, it's new. It's all new to me. See, I've been an actress. For us as actresses, it's been very easy. You just go on the set and you sit around, do your job, and do your thing, and come back.
So, well, also, if you look at the precedent, like the actresses who've turned into producers, mostly they haven't done well so far. So what was your take on that? Didn't that discourage you a little?
Once again, see, I just want to elaborate that I didn't turn producer because that's the trend that's going on, or that's what's happening.
No, necessarily not because of that. Lekin, फिर भी मतलब it's not like you have very good examples to take inspiration
from. So exactly, that's why I didn't look at other actresses who have turned producers, and the thought was not on that side.
And I have to add that the production house is not so much about us making these films as much as the films being made. Which is why also we've not named it after ourselves. We wanted to get that across. So it's not कि Parveen or Preeti ने ये production house बनाया और इनकी ये film. No, it's about the film. Us having made it, quite frankly, is for us secondary.
It's secondary, yes. And plus, it won't be important that we're making this film, we want to cast ourselves, or that's not important. It's more important that the film we want to be made is made.
Okay, well, we spoke about the same thing to Juhi Chawla. And this is what she had to say.
I've realized generally that it's so much easier to be an actor because all you have to do is go there, you have a little preparation in your head, the rest the director explains to you, things are arranged for you, and you can switch off with the camera.
Do you share these similar sentiments?
Stress तो था, tension तो था, लेकिन मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि at the end of the day मुझे मज़ा आया, I enjoyed it.
What about you? When did you decide कि अब direction?
डायरेक्शन के बारे में तो काफ़ी बाद में सोचा. इनफैक्ट मॉनसून वेडिंग के रिलीज होने से पहले एक स्क्रिप्ट का आइडिया था मेरे दिमाग में, विच आई बाउंस्ड ऑफ मीरा ऑल्सो कि आई हैव दिस स्क्रिप्ट आइडिया एंड शी लाइक्ड इट अ लॉट. ये स्क्रिप्ट मैंने खुद ही लिखी और लिखते वक्त और लिखने के बाद इतनी सारी चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में क्लियर थी कि इसको इस हिसाब से बनाना चाहिए. मुझे लगा कि हाँ, इस स्क्रिप्ट को मुझे ही डायरेक्ट करना चाहिए.
Also, Preeti, when you started off with a bang, but somewhere probably your career did not shape up the way you wanted it. So do you think in some way maybe that will affect your prospects as a producer as well?
Firstly, I want to say कि इस सवाल से मैं बिल्कुल थक गई हूँ.
Maybe, yeah. I feel really bad to ask this question.
आपकी पहली फिल्म इतनी बड़ी हिट थी और उसके बाद मैं ये जवाब भी काफ़ी बार कह चुकी हूँ, लेकिन मैं फिर भी कहूँगी कि मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि एज एन एक्ट्रेस आई वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, या काफ़ी फिल्में थीं जो मैंने साइन की जो नहीं बनी, जो बनी वो शायद प्रमोट नहीं की. काफ़ी वजह होती हैं जो एक फिल्म चलती है या ना चलती है. लेकिन मैंने ये कभी नहीं सोचा कि एज एन एक्ट्रेस जो फिल्में चली ना चली वो मेरे एज अ प्रोड्यूसर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स अफेक्ट करेंगी.
Okay, so is it goodbye to acting for good?
No, I said this before, not at all. You can't take the actress out of me, no. It's not goodbye to acting, of course not.
And what about you?
Yeah, not at all. I don't want anybody to think that now that I've directed a film कि मैं acting नहीं कर रहा हूँ यार, या वो तो director, हाँ, या वो तो यार director बन गया, अभी वो नहीं करेगा. So I don't want anybody to think like that.
All right. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for joining us, guys, and wish you all the best.
Thanks. It was a pleasure. Thanks.